Are you looking for a new way to get your kids involved in coding, but you can't get to a camp live because of maybe COVID-19 or where you're living? Well, I have an idea for you. Last spring, many schools shifted to online learning, or they ended the school year altogether. We then looked forward to summer camps, but many summer camps were canceled due to COVID-19. With the internet, many try to learn on their own, but it isn't easy when you don't know where to start. Even with all the great videos out on the internet, it does get confusing. That can all change with my live coding one-on-one or in small groups, where I show you where to start and put you on a path. Hi, I'm Mr. Fred from GetMeCoding.com, and welcome to my site where you're looking at 3 options to bring some kind of coding event into your house. So instead of watching a video on another website, you could take advantage of my experience having taught in camps for over 15 years and also in the classroom for over 20 years. I could help bring a coding event into your house. We could do it one of several ways. You could do it on your own and I'll meet up with you and I'll explain to you how to use the materials that I've been using, or better yet, I can meet with your learner one-on-one via Zoom at a time that you pick. The other option is this. Maybe you have a couple friends and you want to get them together, safely of course, but I can teach you as a team and we'll have some fun learning how to learn the basics of coding. If you're interested in any of these, take a look at the plans here and I'll be glad to answer any questions you have. But the spaces are filling up quick, so don't put off too long, because the summer is fleeting and so are these chances to kind of meet up and learn some cool things and have some fun while we're doing it.